Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize audit defense setup with QuickBooks Online detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing audit defense setup with QuickBooks Online, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account and Settings from the drop-down options. In the left sidebar, select the Billing and Subscription tab. Scroll down to locate the Audit Defense section. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to review the terms and conditions related to the Audit Defense service. Carefully read through the terms and conditions to ensure you understand the service being offered. If you agree to the terms, check the box to accept them. Proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Next, you will need to provide your payment information to authorize the audit defense setup. Fill in your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the payment details, confirm the billing address associated with the card. Once all the information is filled in, click on the Authorize or Submit button to complete the authorization process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your audit defense setup has been successfully authorized. Review the confirmation details to ensure everything is accurate. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to QuickBooks support for assistance. That's it, you have now successfully authorized your audit defense setup with QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.